Elon Musk has Starlink, which is SpaceX, and they just reached 1.5 million customers. And he is doing Neuralink, he's doing Starlink, he is making electric vehicles, he is making solar panels, he bought an entire platform which was corrupted with propaganda and made it into a total free speech platform. For a billionaire, he is doing a lot for the community and the future of the community.
That's one man that when I first heard him, he said, I want to die in Mars. So when you're talking to a person who have that kind of mindset, this can only achieve this kind of propensity in terms of achievement.
Yeah, we need to give him flowers for the things that he's doing. People in his level, take the list, Warren Buffett, or the CEO of Oracle, I'm not sure what his name is, or even Bill Gates, haven't done things that how he is doing it.